Adjusting and fitting your RealWear device. RealWear devices offer compatibility for wear in multiple scenarios. You can wear the device directly on your head with a work band or overhead strap, mounted to a hard hat, or fitted on a bump cap or a compatible ball cap. Your RealWear device comes standard with an adjustable work band. For standard configuration, adjust the work band to fit your head comfortably. The strap should rest across the middle of your forehead. Ensure that the device rests above your ears and parallel to the ground. To connect your RealWear device to a hard hat, first ensure that you have the proper mounting clips for your hard hat type. Attach the clips to the inside mounting grooves on your RealWear device. Then insert the clips into the hard hat slots and snap into place. Now that we have our device mounted and on our head, let's make some adjustments for optimal use. The boom arm of the device has a shoulder, elbow, and wrist joint that allows for precise adjustment. Pull the elbow joint back towards the rear of the device to bring the display pod within 1 to 2 finger widths away from your eye. Place the display pod below your eye and tilt the display up slightly so that you retain your peripheral vision. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to power on. The RealWear W logo will appear on screen when the device is powering on. Once the device is on, make fine adjustments until you can see all 4 corners of the screen clearly. You can perform a quick self-check to ensure that you can see all 4 corners of the screen. This can be found under the My Training application. Regardless of the mounting option used, adjust the boom arm and display this way for optimal viewing.